Wow! The bird's out here today! Holy piss! Whoa! And my first shift! Oh! Oh my goodness! That's a golden toucan birdie cresty knuckle bird! Oh my god! You don't catch those often! Oh! 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 I hear a doggy! But I'm looking for birds today! Not a little bird! Not a little doggy! Oh! Oh! Look at that speedboat! Holy piss! Oh my! Oh, it's coming this way! Oh! 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 That's beautiful! That is beautiful! I see you! Oh! That's what I call rabies with wings! Up on the power line! You're gonna get electrocuted! Uh-oh! Oh my, this is a problem. What's that in the truck? Oh, I like the look in his eyes. Oh, oh, oh. Why are you putting a V on your mouth? That makes no sense. I don't get it. Why would you want to lick between the letter V? Why? Why? Where you go? I see. Oh, that doggy's barking at me. I hear ya. I hear you, pal. Oh, my car. This is a golden toucan flower bird. Hi. Mommy. The birdies, where are ya? Tweet, tweet. Mommy got a putty cat. Yeah, I did see a putty cat. Hey, mister. What? You need your protection. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, perfect size. Might be a little too big. Put it on, put it on. Can I open this? Ah! 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 I hear voices! Oh, he's got one arm! Ah! Oh no! Help me! Hello! Come back! Get my front! Oh! Hi! Oh. I'm running home. Ah!